What happens when one of the greatest chess players of all time goes up against an underestimated opponent? Watch as Magnus Carlsen gets crushed in just a few short minutes. Magnus Carlsen is a Norwegian chess player who's been the world chess champion since 2013. He's widely considered to be one of the greatest chess players of all time, with numerous world championship titles and an incredible 125-game unbeaten streak. Carlsen is known for his aggressive and creative style of play, as well as his exceptional endgame skills. Judith Polgar is a Hungarian chess grandmaster and former child prodigy who's widely regarded as the best female chess player of all time. She was the top-ranked female chess player in the world for over 26 years, from the age of 12 until her retirement in 2014. Polgar has also defeated many of the world's top male players, including Garry Kasparov, Boris Spassky, and Anatoly Karpov. She's been a vocal advocate for gender equality in chess and has worked to increase the participation of women and girls in the game. The Blitz match. The match between Carlsen and Polgar took place at the 2015 Qatar Masters, a prestigious international chess tournament. The game was a 3-minute blitz match, meaning that each player had only 3 minutes on their clock to make all their moves. This made the game extremely fast-paced and intense, with both players under intense pressure to make quick, accurate decisions. The game began with the opening moves e4, c5, which is known as the Sicilian defense. Carlsen played as black, while Polgar played as white. The Sicilian defense is a popular opening choice in chess, as it allows black to contest control of the center of the board and create counterattacking opportunities. Judith Polgar's secret plan. As the game progressed, Polgar began to develop a secret plan to trap Carlsen's pieces. She played a series of moves that appeared innocuous at first, but ultimately led to a devastating attack. After a few moves, Polgar pushed her pawn to d4, threatening Carlsen's pawn on c5. Carlsen responded by moving his knight to c6, which allowed Polgar to bring her knight to f3. This move not only developed her pieces but also protected her pawn on d4 from Carlsen's pawn on b5. After a few more moves, the game entered the Thai mana variation of the Sicilian defense, a particularly aggressive and tactical line. Carlsen appeared to be in a solid position, with control of the center and a well-developed army of pieces. However, Polgar was biding her time, waiting for the right moment to strike. She played a subtle move, moving her queen to d2, which appeared to be a simple development move but was a key part of her plan: the lethal blow. The game reached a critical point when Carlsen moved his rook to c8, with the intention of attacking Polgar's pawn on c2. This move appeared to be a reasonable choice, but it turned out to be a fatal mistake. Polgar responded with an incredible move, pushing her bishop to b6. This move was a killer blow, as it threatened both Carlsen's rook on c8 and his queen on c7. If Carlsen took the bishop with his queen, Polgar would have a forced checkmate with the queen to d7. And if Carlsen took the bishop with his rook, his queen would be trapped and lost. Carlsen was caught completely off guard by this move and was forced to make a difficult decision. He chose to capture Polgar's bishop with his knight, but this allowed Polgar to capture Carlsen's queen with her bishop. This move left Carlsen in a very difficult position, as he was down a queen and his remaining pieces were poorly coordinated. Polgar's bishop on d6 was also extremely well placed, attacking several of Carlsen's pieces and threatening to checkmate him at any moment. Despite the difficult position, Carlsen tried to fight on and find a way to turn the game around. He moved his knight to f5, threatened Polgar's bishop on d6, and hoping to create some counterplay. However, Polgar was not intimidated and responded by moving her knight to e4, attacking Carlsen's knight and reinforcing her position. At this point, Carlsen realized he was fighting a losing battle and decided to resign the game. He extended his hand in defeat, and Polgar accepted his resignation with a smile. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.